Yo, what's up, you guys? This is AG Boys again. Today we're gonna be installing a lip that I bought from. Actually, I got it from eBay, and it was really not that expensive. I just wanted to see how I would do with the lip because my car is already low. We're just gonna install it, drive it around, and see how it looks, and hopefully it will look nice on the car. If it don't look nice, eBay, I will return the lip. I will return it. I will return the lip. So let's unwrap this. It's kind of cool that it has, I guess, their own little wrapping that they got going on over here. So this lip that I got over on eBay, the people that make this lip, they're called Magic Drift. Hopefully it does fit in the car, which I'm pretty sure that it will. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just like test fit it. After an hour of trying to take it off the bumper, I managed to take it off, but I test fitted the lip to see how it will look. And honestly, it doesn't look too bad the way I see it. So it's over here all set up, but it's not screwed in yet. Try to put the lip in place, but I'm gonna try to put a screw or two screws over here, the other side, and then probably one right over here on both sides, so it's just at the very edge, so that it wouldn't fall when I scrape through a bump on the road or something like that. Hold it there. All right, as you saw, myself and my lovely assistant. So as you can see, I put two screws, like I told you to put on, down on the sides, two here, and then we'll move on to the other side. Two over here. That is enough to secure the lip in place, but we also had to put one over here because so the lip didn't fit perfectly. I will have to do some cutting on the edges over here, edge over here and the other one. And later on I will put two screws, one and then two. Yep, you know when that light turns on, you know that we gotta get some gas. And I haven't filled this car up with gas in 2 days, and that light has been on for such a long time. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be stuck on the road. I'm trying to drive as slow as I can so that I won't tilt you guys. But we're going to the gas station right now because you know my gas tank is literally empty. But I do have the lip on right now, and I will show you guys once I fill up the car with gas. But here I am, just driving. I really do hope that the lip does not fall once I hit a bump, because I know I never had a lip on this car before, so hopefully I can use like my lowering car skills. I'll say like, here's a little bump. I don't want to. I'll be sure I'll be fine. So far we're doing so good with the lip. Surprisingly, the lip is not even low. It's actually leveled with the car. But let's just go to the gas station and then I'll like shoot some shots of the scene. And you guys will see how the lip looks. Here's the new lip on the actual car. Oh, yep. It definitely adds more aggressiveness towards the bumper. I really like how this lip really makes the front end of the car just more aggressive. Just look how it looks. Look how it looks. Little side view, little side view, little side view. And yeah, guys, like I said, I will have to cut right here so that this can go farther in. Same with this side. And afterwards, I'm just gonna screw in 2 bolts on each side. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results. This is fairly a easy project, and it doesn't cost that much to do it yourself. And honestly, it's worth it at the end. But just see how much of a difference it makes towards the car. I want to thank you guys for watching, and there will be more content coming up soon. I'm trying to upload more videos and just have fun, you know, with life, because why not have fun in life? And I just want to thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, comment. Maybe you guys can leave something in the comments, maybe an idea or something I should do with my Z. You know, just to, I guess, like, keep the ball going. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and watch the videos. I'm looking at you. Watch all the videos that we have. All right, thanks you guys.